Okay, hey guys, it's back. If you guys watched my other video, you're gonna realize we are in the woods right now. You've probably seen the groundhog in my other one.
Alright, what up?
Yeah. Shh, 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 shh. It's Ninja Dog.
I don't know what else here, but it is weird. It is sketchy.
I can't. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just. I don't know if you can see the squirrel. Yeah, but. Another squirrel.
It is sketchy, bro.
Yeah, we got Patterson family.
Ninja Dog over here because he's working really hard today. He just now started a new YouTube video.
Bunny.
Oh gosh, there's a bunny.
Dude.
I kind of don't even like. There's a black squirrel. And a
Bunny. And one with no tail. One with basically no tail. Yeah, dude, we basically listen on it. We are risking our lives out here for you because we have seen and heard weird crap. Like, he has not been here before. Like, this is his first time. I have been down here so many times. I heard screaming down here, like really screaming. Like, fuck. You guys might say monsters ain't real. We don't believe that, dude. We can't go too far in the woods. Okay, you can't go too far in the woods and not out like deep. Because it just ain't. But you guys see that berry tree? Look at that berry tree. Yeah, yum. So, oh, what the? No, the groundhog came out, man. Yes, it did. Okay, look at this trail.
I deleted it. Oh, no.
The phone died?
Yeah, no, it didn't die. I ain't got enough storage space.
Oh, okay.
I have to delete a bunch of storage space. Yeah, I have 99% used.
Delete some real quick, man, because we can use bunnies, all that crap on here.
Yeah, I know.
That's kind of, this is how you get more subscribers. We start doing these videos, walks in the woods, all that crap. Especially if you see something that ain't in the normal. Guys, I don't know, but look at that. That tree looks weird. It's like wrapped around another tree. Dude, I'm like terrified of these woods. Like, I'm basically just my life out. I have seen like something in here. And my girl said stood up and looked at her. I was at school. I came back before that day. I was walking to the bus. I turned back. I see someone staring at me through these woods. Y'all can hate. You can all be the haters.